Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. You go to settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Tapon and you click here. In this page of app on 4 you go to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about Tapon app. You will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.